alternate builds and combiners. This kind of stuff what made old Lego more memorable, because it gives you more creative freedom on what you wanna build with the sets that you have, instead of just building in one set and just be done with it. And he and I am the one who's gonna try to continue this kind of legacy. I wanna make more combiners and attributes of the sets, instead of just making one set and just reviewing with it. And today I'm gonna try making those two into one thing. Ain't perfect, but I'd say I tried. It's supposed to be more of a modified Batmobile shape vehicle. That's supposed to be like still of shape of Batwing, but still looking a bit more like a car. So the parts weren't exactly very helpful. They were exactly a lot of pieces or the ones that are exactly needed. But I did try, so I'd say probably not that bad of a vehicle. Doesn't exactly look like a jet. And yeah, it looks more like a weird car. I was more going for a more realistic kind of feel, like for example about Batmobile. When you look at it, it looks more like a modified real car that's supposed to like go even more faster, like an additional engine that wasn't supposed to be original on the back, but was added in. I guess that's how it's supposed to be in the movie. I didn't exactly see it how it was in the movie. I was only like based off the set itself. Uh, Other than that, I also try to remove the shooting parts. Because come on, Batman was supposed to be like never use any some kind of shooting unless like a grappling hook. So I don't know when exactly the set was given in. I guess that's how it's supposed to be in the set in an actual movie, when he's using some kind of anti-defense machinery that is supposed to hurt only to like I don't know, make enemies unconscious. It doesn't make sense to me. It still just looks like he's using some kind of gun. I mean, it's still shooting and it's the shape of a bullet. So I kind of find it just dumb. Like, I don't know, maybe he's supposed to like using it without hurting anyone, but I'd still be better if he just didn't have it, or just keep a grappling hook. Unfortunately, the windscreen didn't exactly want to stay on very well, so I was forced to have additional parts to make it more sturdy. And there you go. This is what I made. I'm not exactly a very creative person, but I'd say I try the best I could. If you like what I made, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also leave a comment on what you think about this build, what I should do next, and maybe some other stuff you wanna do. You have your own freedom of what you wanna type. Just make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. All of it is much appreciated.